In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use plugins with Bluehost. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using plugins with Bluehost is extremely simple. You will be able to use a plugin, which is a piece of software containing a group of functions that can be added to your WordPress website, and you will be able to do it by going over to your WordPress dashboard. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install plugins for a website on Bluehost that has WordPress installed. So to do this, inside of your WordPress dashboard, all that you have to do is click on plugins at the left side of the screen. You will see three main options: install plugins, where you can manage the plugins that you currently have available, add new, and then plugin editor. All that you have to do is choose the option to add a new plugin. When you click add a new, you will be redirected to the plugin store, where you can browse through various plugins that they have available. In there, just choose the option to install now at the right side of any plugin. You will be able to browse through reviews, see the description, see the details, and browse through various categories of plugins. So all that you have to do is go over to featured, popular, recommended, or use the search function to look for a specific one. Once you click on install now, let this process finish, and you will be able to activate the plugin. Now, with the plugin activated, if you go back into the plugins window and you choose installed plugins, you will see the new plugin installed in there. You can enable auto updates, that way you don't have to manage it manually every time, and by clicking on the plugin, you can activate and set up the parameters. So plugins can be used for a variety of things. Like I said, you can use it to set up an online store. So for example, WooCommerce, you can download Facebook for WooCommerce. So use the plugin installer available in the WordPress dashboard to get this process done, and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. There is no limit to how many plugins you can have, and you will be able to activate them or disable them as needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to use plugins with Bluehost. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.